in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. Sometimes we put up the juice and also we put up salad. Alright guys, so it's just like I have to just give it a mixture of what's going on in the kitchen. Anyway, I want to make a simple salad today. We're just going to be using 3 ingredients: tomato, red onion, and also we have some spring onion which we're going to put in it for color, for green color. You know what I mean? You can just do some simple little recipe at home, guys. You don't need to stress yourself and say to yourself, oh, what I'm gonna prepare today. You have a little few things left back in your fridge. Don't throw it away. You can use it to make things and bring it to work. Alright, this is Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel, and I want to take the time to say thank you so much guys for subscribing to the YouTube channel and also leaving your comments in the description box. It is amazing. Thank you so much for also following me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, and don't forget to click in the bell and subscribe. So guys, today what we're going to make you a simple salad for summer. Let the summer bright, and you know what I mean? Yeah, enjoy the summer. That's what we're talking about today, guys. I love you all. Stay right there and don't go anywhere. This is from Chef Ricardo and the cooking show, and also Chef Ricardo Salad Bar. We always have your favorite dish. I love you all. Stay right there. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, this is how we're going to be doing it today. It's going to be very simple and easy. Nothing too complicated. So basically, I have 3 medium-sized tomatoes, and this is what I'm going to do to show my fans. Once you cut up your tomato into some small dices, pour it into a big bowl. And I love my tomato. So this now you can just make this and bring it to work, guys. Unless you're allergic to tomato, alright? And this is some fat juicy tomato. Nice and lovely, look at that. Nice one. And all they're going to do is get half of a red onion, inside of it like this, spring onion, once you cut up a spring onion, put it straight inside of it like that. Look at that, guys, amazing already. Alright, that's exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about. New ideas and new recipe. Gonna get a few dry chili. Cracked pepper. Nice and lovely. Keep it simple. And what we're going to do next, if you have olive, you can put some olive. And also, if you have any sun-dried tomato, I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil inside of it, just like that. And what we're going to do now is simple. Mix it about. Simple tomato salad. Alright guys, look at that. And that's exactly what we're talking about right here. You can make this at home, put it at the side, and you know what I mean, if you're making a nice simple little dish, that's exactly what you can do at home, guys. Anyway, thank you for watching Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. We will just give you some simple recipe like these, guys, you guys can make at home. And also we have a lot more recipe will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. So listen guys, you might have said Chef Ricardo, that is too simple, but if it doesn't try, you don't know what's going to happen. So you have to give it a try. Make yourself some nice lovely rice and peas or any dish you make at home. Cut up some tomato with red onion, and you know what I mean, put this at the side. You will love it. So enjoy it, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.